and thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today I'm going to show you a chocolate bark recipe, but this is going to be decorated for Easter. So you can actually use the same recipe and just decorate it throughout the year for whatever seasonal holidays you got going on. So if you want to do it for Christmas, just change the toppings basically. So I'll show you this recipe, but before we get started, I want to remind everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, give me a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of future uploads. But with that being said, let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm using semi-sweet chocolate, white chocolate, and coconut oil. And the first thing I'm going to do is heat the chocolate in a microwave in 30-second intervals until it's nice and melted. You could also use a double boiler. Now I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil and blend it well into my melted chocolate. You can honestly use any kind of oil you want to use here. I just happen to keep a vat of coconut oil in my house, so I'm using coconut oil. Now I'm going to pour the chocolate into the bottom of a baking dish and I'm going to spread it evenly using an offset spatula. Then the chocolate is going to go into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes until it's almost completely set. So now I'm going to repeat the same steps for the white chocolate. I'm going to melt it in a microwave safe bowl, add a little bit of coconut oil to it, and then once I have the desired consistency and it's spreadable, I'm going to also take a little bit out to the side and I'm going to tint it green, like a pastel green for Easter. But this is where we get creative. So if you wanted to use purple or pink or yellow, it ain't no problem. Use whatever color you want to use and have fun with it. So now I pour all of my melted white chocolate on top of the semi-sweet chocolate. And again, I'm just going to make sure I evenly spread the layer on top. And immediately after that, I start to decorate because you want to make sure you get everything decorated before the chocolate sets. So now I'm just going to decorate the bark. I have some sanded pink sugar. I have my white chocolate that I dyed pastel green and these cute little sprinkle sets that I got on Amazon. And again, y'all, there is no rhyme or reason to the way I decorate. I just literally do whatever comes to mind. So I'm just going to decorate it first with some of the chocolate. I'm going to add the sanded sugar and then I'm going to throw the sprinkles on. The most important thing to remember is just to add it before your chocolate sets so that your sprinkles won't fall off. So once again, I'll allow the chocolate to set for another 10 to 15 minutes. And then once that's done, I pull it out of my cake pan and then I just basically cut it into pieces. Doesn't have to be uniform, doesn't have to be pretty unless you want it to. So I'm just going to just freestyle this once again and just chop it into some random pieces. And then that is going to be it here. And this is the final product. Again, really easy to make, not a lot of ingredients. Definitely something you might want to try this spring and this Easter with kids. Just remember to have fun and get creative. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.